Now I will discuss money part 2, where addition, subtraction and multiplication will be given along with the question for the practice. So the title of my lecture is Money part 2, which is addition, subtraction, and multiplication. This is required on the daily basis. First, I will say example addition. Example 1. I am asking directly add rupees 25 and 20 paisa and 48 rupees and 30 paisa. See, it can be easy to add this in the column method or vertical column methods. So, solution. First, write rupees 25.20 and rupees 48.30 in column. अब देखिए, अब it can be written in the two way. First way also you can write like this, rupees 25.20 and rupees 48.30. This is the one way of writing this thing. What is the another way? Or you can write rupees here and paisa here. You can write 25 here and 20 here. And also you can write 48 here and 30 here. Since it is addition, so the both number will be called addend. I am repeating so the student should know what is the meaning of addend. Why addend? Because position of this addend can be interchanged. It can be written above, other can be written unlike subtraction. And this is the sum. अब देखिए, अब यहां पर जो दो चीजें हैं, इसको भी आप वंस कह सकते हैं, टेंस कह सकते हैं, इसको वंस कह सकते हैं, इसको टेंस कह सकते हैं. ध्यान रखिएगा, आइदर रुपीज के नीचे लिखिए या ऊपर लिखिए, बट इट इज 2 digits नंबर पैसा, रुपीज आल्सो 2 digit. Here there is no need to write ones and tens because decimal is there. अब देखिए, स्टेप्स क्या है? स्टेप 1. Add once in terms of पैसा. To write पैसा is very very important क्योंकि ये वंस का पैसा है. सो अब क्या हो गया? 0 + 0 = 0. स्टेप 2, और ये भी आप कह सकते हैं एट पैसा कह सकते हैं, एट पी. ये हो गया. अगेन एड टी इन टर्म्स ऑफ पैसा, पैसे, पैसे, ये ई है, ये ई है। कहीं गलती कर दे तो आप समझिए कि ये ऐसा ही ई होता है, फिर गड़बड़ा गया। इसको आप मिटाई दीजिए और राइट करिए इस तरह से। देखिए PAISE, PAISE, पैसे। अब क्या है, 2 + 3 = 5, पैसा एडिशन एंड फिर यू कैन से एट रुपीज। अब रुपीज को हम वंस टेंस करेंगे। फिर स्टेप वन एड ओ एट टी, क्या है 5 + 8। अब यहां देखिए इसमें फॉरवर्ड एडिंग, एक बार अगेन आई एम रिमाइंडिंग। सो लार्जेस्ट नंबर इज 8, फॉरवर्ड 1 2 3 4 5, right here 1 2 3 4 5. This forward addition I have already explained in terms of when I was doing the addition of the numbers. अब देखिए, after 8 9 10 11 12 13 = 13, but it will be O and T. So अब step 2 क्या होगा? Step 2, write 3 below ones, right, and carry over 1 above T. अब देखिए, तब राइट हम 3 यहां पर कर दिए, कैरी ओवर 1 हमने यहां पर कर दिया। अब स्टेप 3, एड 1 2 4 ऑफ टी। अब कितना सिंपल, 4 + 2 6 + 1 7। This is one way, simple way I have explained in this way. But when you add here, ध्यान सुनिए, simple use the addition method which I have explained in the addition, and forget about point. 0 + 0 0, 5 put decimal here, 8 5 13, 1 here, 7, and this. You can do this way or that way. It is up to you to understand it very easily. And in this case also follow the same steps. I am going to give some question on the addition for practice. So it will be finished as far as addition is concerned. अब देखिए, क्वेश्चन फॉर प्रैक्टिस, questions for practice, and obviously it is practice for the addition question. Question 1, add the following money, add the following money, क्या ऐड करना है? A I am writing in the vertical column rupees and paisa. 8, 40 paisa. 6, 30 paisa. And I will ask the students to write addend as well as the sum. B rupees and paisa. 12 rupees and 60 paisa. 7 rupees and 40 paisa. Plus C rupees and paisa. 36, 70 paisa. 43 and 35 paisa. D rupees and paisa. 80 rupees, 50 paisa. And 19 rupees and 30 paisa. This is the vertical method. I've just mentioned 8 the following. So you can vertical method or column method or vertical column method, add, and also you can write in terms of the rupees and paisa by using the decimal. Now, question 2 in the words. Very simple. Rehan purchased a pen of rupees 10, and book for rupees 55 and 50 paisa. Find the total money he has to pay. He has to pay to shopkeeper. I will only give the hint. Hint is write rupees 10 is equal to rupees 10.00. Because after decimal or after any number you have put any zero, it has no meaning. Now I will give you subtraction. Example 2. Example 2. Subtract rupees 50 and 30 paisa from 70 rupees 50 paisa. अब देखिए solution. I have mentioned that the subtraction is possible from higher number to the from higher number to the lower number. So higher number should be written first, which is minuend, and the lower number is the second, which is subtrahend. So this also you can do in this way. Suppose you can say I have rupees 70.50 and rupees 50.30. This can do also this way. Or you can also do rupees and P. 70 rupees, 50 paisa, and also 50 rupees, 30 paisa minus. अब देखिए, now this is the minuend. Ask the students to write this one, so it will be refreshed for them. And this is subtrahend, and this is the difference. अब देखिए, now here the subtraction is independent for any ones and t of paisa and rupees. So here you can also put O and T, O and T. और ध्यान रखिएगा, फर्स्ट डिजिट के ऊपर O होना चाहिए, सेकंड डिजिट के ऊपर T होना चाहिए. सिंपल, 0 minus 0 is always 0. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 0 minus 0, 0. Here also simply subtract, like usually done in the subtraction. Put decimal. That is how the subtraction is done. This is called without regrouping. Meaning we have not borrowed from T, at least in the paisa is concerned or rupees is concerned. Now I am just giving example 3. Example 3 I am writing. There is no need to write the steps because it is very much clear. Tanya has, ध्यान सुनिएगा, rupees 90, but here I am putting 00. You can write 90 also. With her, she purchased a notebook of rupees 65. अब क्वेश्चन इज what is the money she will get from shopkeeper. अब यहाँ देखिएगा कि she has 90 rupees with her and by mistake she has given uncle take 90 rupees. But I want to buy a notebook. But shopkeeper knows that cost is 65 rupees. So he has to return. So how much return? So her term solution I am just giving you. Solution. First, you have write to minuend. Just write rupees 90.00 and rupees 65. अब यहाँ ध्यान रखिएगा, this is minuend because it is her, and this is subtrahend. is always less than minuend. Then subtraction can be done. And this is the difference. This can also be written as rupees and paisa. 90 rupees and 00 paisa. Always 00 is written. 65 paisa and 00 written. And you have to find out difference. अब यहाँ देखिएगा जो है यहाँ पर बारोड करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पर भी वंस है, टेंस है, यहाँ भी वंस है, टेंस है. नो प्रॉब्लम 00, नो प्रॉब्लम. But here the minuend is lower than subtrahend. So the O of minuend borrow from 9. So अब इसको ऐसे रख सकते हैं. 1t को borrow करेगा तो यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा? देखिए R, ध्यान से सुनिएगा, मैं यहाँ पर रुपीज लिख रहा हूँ और यहाँ पर हम पैसा लिख रहा हूँ. अब देखिए अगर ये t से बारो किया है तो यहाँ पर 8 हो जाएगा. बट 1t इक्वल टू 10, 10 प्लस 0 इक्वल टू 10 यहाँ हो जाएगा. ध्यान रखिएगा, ये t है, ये o है, ये t है, ये o. 0 0. Then it will be 65 and 0 0. अब देखिए सिंपल है, यहाँ पर 0 0 हो जाएगा, 0 0 हो जाएगा, ये 5 हो जाएगा, ये 2 हो जाएगा. Similarly, you can do here. You can write here 10 and here you can write 8. 10 minus 5, 5, and 8 minus 6, 2. But there is another way to write by using ones and tens, which I am telling you also. Just I will delete this portion. Erase. I am just deleting this portion. How will you use ones and tens? जरा देखिएगा. अब यहां पर आपका क्या है? रुपीज. अब देखिए, अब आप लिख रहे हैं रुपीज 90.00 और यहां लिख रहे हैं रुपीज 65.00. अब देखिए इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं आप जो है, रुपीज 90 प्लस 0 once I am writing to avoid the confusion. 00 पैसा, there is no need to write. Here writing I am rupees 60 plus 5 ones. जरा ध्यान देखिएगा. Then 90 can be broken as rupees 8t plus 1t. जरा ध्यान से देखिएगा. एंड प्लस 0 वंस, ये भी वंस है. सॉरी रुकिए, अभी मैं इसको एक्सप्लेन बेटर वे में करूंगा. ये इसको 1t कर दीजिए, इसको 1t कर दीजिए और फिर यहां लिखिए रुपीज 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 रुपीज. यहां लिखिए, जस्ट यहां पे लिखिएगा जो है 6t प्लस 5 ones. अब देखिए अगेन राइट हियर रुपीज 8t is equal to rupees 6t, but 1t is equal to 10 ones. 10 ones plus 0 ones. यहां पर राइट करिए, ये आपका क्या है, ये 5 ones. अब ये यहां पर ऐसे करते जाइए आप. और दूसरी चीज कि चूंकि माइनस करना है तो ये भी माइनस होगा और ये भी माइनस होगा. और फिर लिखिए, अब देखिए रुपीज रुपीज 8t और फिर रुपीज 60 प्लस, अब देखिए 10 प्लस 0 10 वंस हो जाएगा, और ये प्लस 5 वंस हो जाएगा, और सब्सट्रैक्ट करिए सिंपली, ये माइनस ये माइनस, तो यहाँ पर 5 वंस हो जाएगा और प्लस यहाँ पर 2 वंस हो जाएगा, और नहीं सॉरी 2t हो जाएगी, इरेज ये 2t हो जाएगा। तो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा 2, दिस इज इन द शॉर्ट फॉर्म, यहाँ पर रुपीज आ जाएगा, और ये एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म है, दिस इज एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म। So this is another way to write all this. I will only just give some examples for practice, so you do this one. Question for practice. Question for practice. Question 1. Solve the following subtraction. अब देखिए A रुपीज एंड पैसा, 40 and 60, 18 and 20 minus B रुपीज एंड पैसा, 25 0 0 minus 15 and 50. C is rupees and paisa, 36 and 80 and 24 and 90. D rupees and paisa, 67 and 50 paisa and minus 28 and 40. Last is the question is hint. अब इसमें बाई borrowed method, बाई BORRO borrowed method, और borrowed method कब होता है when the minuend is lower than subtrahend. This is very very important. Question 2. Ram had rupees 85.00. He bought मैंने उसने खरीदा है ए फुटबॉल बॉल ऑफ रुपीज 55 rupees 65 paisa. Find the rest money. रेस्ट मतलब जो बचा हुआ है, रेस्ट मनी, तो इसको क्या करेंगे, सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे। लास्ट सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन आई एम गिविंग यू, आई विल नॉट टेक मच टाइम। सो लास्ट example is on multiplication. Example 4. Multiply rupees 12 पैसा 12 rupees 35 पैसा by 5 rupees। अब देखिए इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है, कैसे करना है, सोल्यूशन। सिंपली राइट करिए, रुपीज 12.35 into 5। Basically here it should not be rupees, it should be 5. Why? Because suppose you have purchased some item for 12 rupees 35 paisa, but you need 5 items, not 5 rupees. So you have to this. Just simply multiply as 5 5 ja 20. 5 5 ja 25. 2. 5 3 ja 15. 15 to 17. 5 2 ja 10. 5 1 ja 5 6. Simple addition as you done on the 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, but put decimal below the decimal in the same place. Thank you very much.